Everybody, welcome to Homeopathy Defined. Today we are going to discuss psychosis. Psychosis defined. Right? We have already discussed Sora miasm, right? Sora is mostly that which is mostly affecting the functional disturbances. It is more peripheral. It is element blue. That's what we discussed. Now let's come to the yellow element, which is the survival, which is the reproduction of the species. So that is psychosis, the impulse to reproduce and to have the survival instinct, which is again common to living beings. But the thing here is whether what I am thinking is right or wrong. There is always this kind of thought present in psychosis, right? Because they have all the sexual instincts, but then a lot of religious and cultural taboos are imposing it to be wrong. So that's when these remedies like Medorinum, Tuja, Staphysagria, Pulse, Natmure, Sepia and other remedies which are highly lac caninum, these are all the psychotic energy remedies. Now coming to the water element of it. Water is like, it is a primary relationship, right? Now Sora is considered to be the earth element. Now water is somewhere, it is present everywhere in the body, and this psychotic has a lot of influence on the fluids which is moving in the body, right? So either it is too much of water, too much capacity to observe, or very less water to observe, right? Now coming to the boundaries here with the self and the rest of the world. So that is the boundary they are keeping, and they are too much open, or they're taking too much of influences and impressions. So that is where to shut, or where shouldn't we allow our information to get out, or where we shouldn't lose the balance. That is where the suffering starts. That is psychotic. Psychotic is more to do with the sensual side, and then they have where the Sora is more towards the secure side. So that the boundaries here are like semi-permeable boundaries. Now coming to the desires. Now you can see a genie's lamp here. So I have put this picture because the desires, the imaginations, the things what the psychotic miasm has are like enormous, right? They're mostly towards sexuality, mostly towards the emotional sensitivity which is present, right? And there is increased sense of desire, increased sense of expansion, that is also present in psychosis, where the person can be having a lot of sexual energy and can become obsessive and out of control. So that also indicates hyoscyamus, platinum, medorinum, and that will cause imbalance in their energies, right? Now coming to the expansion part of it. Expansion part here is accumulation, the collections. Again, expansion is not only in the physical level, it is in the different levels like emotional level and psychological level, where the person believes, trying to meet more survival needs. Now like we've discussed in Sora, the survival instinct is just adaptability, but here also to satisfy the urges they have, right? And they have inbuilt the need to expand, the grow inwardly also, and outgrow their needs. So that is psychosis. So psychosis is having a lot of desire and also a lot of expansion and collections. So everybody has those innate desires, like desire to attract things towards their towards them, also to magnetize, to attract people's attention, the possessiveness, everything. It's not a bad thing, but when it is not having a balance, or it's not that person is not knowing whether this is right or wrong, whether what should we bring that to in our lives or not, that's where the conflict arises, right? And this particular thing, the time and the ego development, that is also very high in psychosis. So that is one important thing. They are very much clairvoyant. They can understand the culture, they can understand the things coming around, they can analyze them very fast, right? So that is the energy interactions that they have with the world. So that is something, the perception is very high. The perception through energies, the bodies, everything is so high. So they are very advanced, but again this is not as advanced as syphilitic and as amateurish as Sora, right? It is on the balance. But here I think mostly psychosis and syphilis are at the two poles, but in the between there is Sora. And coming to the hurried nature, they're always hurried, right? It is one of the most key element of a psychosis is when they are very much hurried. They're trying to reach things, trying to adapt to the situations in a very higher way. Again, it is in the form of passion and compassion also, right? So that is the hurried nature which is present, where they have influence over things. Now again, here you see, if you see the seasons also, seasons, the autumn season is more like a fall, there is again, and the spring is completely opposite to it. So the spring is when there is development, but then it has to come again to the fall, right? Seasons are always moving that way. So it is, the person is also changing, the situations are also changing from psychosis to syphilis. Again, the fall is syphilis, and the spring, the reproduction, the productivity over there is psychosis. And the memory issues are always popping up everywhere. All the psychotic remedies like Tuja, Medurinum, they have difficulty in finding a word. Nux moscata also. So there's cannabis sativas, where you have a lot of urinary complaints. They have memory issues. Now coming to the end part of it, now I'm just ending. There's a lot of depth in psychosis as a miasm, but let me just conclude it with the balance right here. As we've discussed the difference between the seasons and everything, the psychosis over here is more towards syphilis, the two different poles, and the between the division is the sora. So everywhere the psychosis is trying to find a balance, right? The energy balance, like yin yang or autumn spring. So psychosis, miasm, the people also, they need to find a ground where they can grow. So they're always they have psychic sensitivity also, tendency to become here and there, and the consciousness and the spacey thing. So they have to find a balance, and that balance will give them more understanding and create more creativity in them. So that is psychosis in a gist. I'm not defining it completely though.